How to easily contact Temu customer service. So to start, we'll just have to open our Temu account. And then once we're here on our account, what we need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen and then tap on this profile icon. After that, here on our profile, on top you will see this support option. What we need to do is to tap on this one. And then after that, we will be given a lot of articles here. All you need to do is to select the article which relates to your problem. But if you really need to contact customer service, all you need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen and then tap on this Contact Us option. In here, you will now be able to talk to a customer service. So as an example, I'm gonna type here, "Hi, can you please help me with my order?" Once I'm done, I'll just have to tap on this arrow icon to send my message. After that, I'll just have to wait for the reply. And as you can see here, the customer service has now given me instructions on how to process my order. So that's how easy we can contact Temu customer service. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.